Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is another episode, actually episode 13 of Daphne Spivey's Real Talk Unlimited. My topic of discussion today is called work structure. That's a very usual topic. I chose that because it's work structure in everything that you do. To everybody that's struggling to get where they are as far as work security or the job that you're at, or sometimes it could be very frustrating to want to find that niche that you're good at and find the things that you're good at. Me myself personally, I'm okay where I'm at, but it's not my career choice. Until everything falls into place for me as far as this podcast and the school going. It's going really well, actually. That's why I haven't been doing it. Frustrating, and you feel like people are always on your back, and you don't feel appreciated. Honestly, sometimes I don't feel appreciated, but that's just me. Everybody have their own way of, appreciating others. I work hard, and I feel like it's going to pay off, so I'm not rushing anything. And I'm about to be 37, so it's like I'm still don't keep doing what I'm doing. I'm working hard as ever to try to make sure that my kids are straight, my whole family's straight. You know what I'm saying? It's like I gotta keep that. I just gotta keep that motivation going, because when you want something bad enough, and it's a struggle to get it. First time, people are not going to respond to the things that you do. Or like you're trying to go out and brand something, and more you tell people, okay, here, listen to this and listen to that. More people be like, all right. And then sometimes they don't have the time, sometimes they do have the time. Like I said, I'm going to continue doing this podcast as long as I have to. If people listen, they listen. If they don't, they don't. I'm just branching it out so I can have my own little platform. So I'm keep praying that this is going to go well. Getting support from my family and my friends is the most important thing. I just need to feel like I'm getting that well deserved. Like, oh girl, you doing good, keep it up, But I know what I gotta do as far as that. I just want to see the world. I'm working my way up as best I can. I've been promised positions that I haven't even got. And I'm not going to say that it don't upset me, because it does. I feel like my hard work is paying off, but it's not, good enough for them, which I think it's good enough for them. Sometimes, the employees work harder than the managers. I'm just saying. I've had the experience of working everywhere I've worked, so I just feel like the employees just do a lot more than the management. That's just me. Now, where I'm at now, we're all work together. But there are times where I do feel like, it's always pressure to try to get what you're trying to get, as far as, want to work your way up to a higher position. And I've been trying to do that. Now, if it's not offered to me, there's other solutions to any problem. I could do something else, or I can do something else in another field. Like, I'm no stranger to hard work. I got a lot of qualifications, because this work structure, you can do everything. Like, you have to just work on it. Like, people with attitudes, come on, y'all. Like, in public stores, I understand it gets stressful when people go out shopping and whatnot. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all ain't gotta be ugly-faced and just looking all ugly and getting attitudes and stuff because y'all waiting in lines. Okay, everybody in the damn world waits in lines. But, you know what I'm saying? And it'd be the ones with little items, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all doing all that, y'all could wait when it gets slowed down to come get the little shit. I'm just saying, like, people just attitude, period. Restaurants, anything. Shoot, I'm gonna give you an example. I went to a restaurant. I'm gonna say McDonald's because everybody's been complaining about McDonald's. Now, I went up in there polite as all hell. I said, excuse me, ma'am. I said, may I have a, number 2, with fries and a drink, whatever. Okay. She acted like she didn't want to take my order. Okay, I understand that she was the only person in there with a cook or whatever. But I was like, okay, and she just looked like anything else. Like, she didn't ask how I was doing or nothing. So I'm looking at her, I said, yeah, you must not be happy at your job, sweetheart. You need to find another career choice, That's why I say, if y'all not happy where y'all at, y'all can change it. Y'all can change y'all careers, you know what I'm saying? Y'all come to work just mad for no reason. Now, if it's a good reason, then yeah. If it's for nothing, like y'all just, I don't even want to be at work today. Woo, don't mess with me today. I'm not in the mood. Okay, well, you can do that at home. We don't need to hear that when you come to work, okay? Like I'm just saying, I know sometimes I have my way. I have my moments. But it don't be pertaining to work. It be other things. But I don't take it out on the workplace. If I get too stressed out, I take a moment. Because I was that person. I used to get mad at every given moment at everything. My attitude just stinks. It was like I didn't care. I was like, F everybody. So, I'm just going to tell y'all, just, y'all keep y'all work structure in check, Attitudes. Please change it. Everybody, while you speaking to people, they just look at you like you ugly or something. Like, they the ones that's ugly. We trying to be nice to them. But yeah, I'm just gonna say, just work hard and work harder and just try to achieve what you want to achieve. It's a life out here that everybody needs and that everybody that's looking for that life to want to be somebody and become something that they're comfortable with. So I just say y'all just do the best that y'all can, and y'all just don't worry about the negative world. People gonna talk down to you whatever you try to do. So y'all just work hard at it. Y'all just be good at what you do. Everybody just need to work on everything about themselves. Like I do. I still got some work to do, but I'm gonna leave it in God's hands. So y'all just, love yourself and just work hard and be